special, something you move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana.
Alright, you guys, so we're back. If you're from my last video, comment down below some sunflowers, and I'll know that you've seen my last video and that's why you're here. Anyways, all we're gonna be doing right here is I'm just showing you how I refresh my curly hair. So if I'm wearing curly hair on a daily basis, this is exactly what I do. I don't add in the leave-in conditioner every single day, but this is the base of the whole thing. So all I'm doing right here is I have my water in my spray bottle, and I have this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. This is their Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner, and it's really amazing. All you need is a little bit just for this length. This is a 16-inch wig by ISEE Hair. The links will be in my description box. You need a little bit, like, trust me, and it's gonna have your hair looking moisturized and nice. Like, you're gonna love it. Alright, you guys, so since this is a 16-inch wig, all I'm doing is parting it into 2 sections. If it's longer, you might want to do 4 sections, but I'm doing 2 sections for the shorter hair. So I'm just wetting it down with some spray. Normally, I would literally go in the shower, and when I'm taking a shower, I'll just wet it. But since I'm demonstrating for the camera, I'm using the spray bottle. And then you kind of need not really too much water, but you need quite a bit. And make sure you're kind of spraying it on the inside of the hair so everything is going to get coated. You don't want it to be drenched, but you want it to be damp. So this is all I'm doing right here. I'm using my Denman brush that you can get on Amazon or Sally Beauty. And I'm just going through the hair. This hair was not tangly at all. It was not shedding, like doing crazy shedding. It was literally soft like butter. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just thinking about what my life is. I'm parting it now. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm parting it and I'm wetting it. And then I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to play some music so you guys can watch what I'm doing. It's really self-explanatory. I just wanted this to be a dedicated video to how I moisturize my hair. How I refresh and moisturize my hair. Because you could just click this video and it's specifically for this purpose. So yes.
There's something more.
DJ Smith.
I need that something tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it.
Slate's Beats.
It's on your body, I want. There's something more. Bigger than I think on your backside. Do everything I want. I need that something, and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something you got.
Okay, so right here I'm adding in the leave-in conditioner. I'm using literally the tiniest amount. It looked like a lot because I squeezed it in my hand, but I'm using the tiniest amount because you do not want your hair to feel weighed down. Trust me, if you use too much, your hair is going to feel crazy. You just want it to feel nice and silky. So that's all I'm doing right here.
If you see my love, don't be small, would you love me back? If I go out on my way in this life, would you bring it back? Fly all the way to the moon, would you bring me back? Trouble come my way any day, would you on my back? I'll take you America, go down to Nigeria. Wifey material every time that I see ya. I'll show you off, I can never lie like that. What we got can never die like that. You say your body, I want. There's something more. Bigger than I think on your backside. Do everything I want. I need that something, and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something you got. More fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana. I'm on a me, biddy general dollar. I'm on a me, biddy bad man lover. Never ever seen other man who can cover all of your dreams and your subsequent orders. Yeah. I go give you assurance like say my name be that.
Alright, you guys, we're coming to the end of the video. If you do try this method out, please comment and tell me how did it work, if you feel like you see a difference in your hair. And thank you guys so much for watching and your constant support. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I need that something and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something you got. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be your pada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun da da.